Welcome. In front of me is an ROG Phone 6 and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from a SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application. So for me it's right over here. Then you want to tap on it 3 dots and navigate into the settings. And here you should locate import export. And it asks you where you want to import your contacts from. So we have import from SIM card. Now it shows me only SIM 1. That's the only one that is occupied for me. If I would have placed it on the, for instance, bottom side of the tray, it would say SIM 2 instead. And obviously if I had both of the SIM cards, it would give me 1 or 2. We also have the option to export, import from storage, and so on. But we're interested in the first option, which is import from SIM. Then it asks you where you want to import to. I have 2 options, my Google account and the device. You can choose whichever one you want. If you choose your Google account, then those contacts will appear on every other device that is logged in with the same Google account. But I'm going to be selecting device anyway. Now this will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card, so you can select them all quickly by tapping right here. Now if you don't want all the contacts, but as an example majority of them, you can still choose the select all and then deselect contacts that you don't want. From there, tap on a checkbox and this will import all selected contacts, which you can now find in your contacts list along with all the contacts that might have been on your Google account as well. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.